The First Trip to the Moon by Stephanie True Peters. On July 16, 1969, the Apollo 11 spacecraft went into space. 3 men were inside. They were astronauts. They were going to the moon. Astronauts, spacesuits, helmets. The 3 astronauts in the spacecraft were the Apollo 11 crew. This was the first time people were going to the moon. The astronauts worked long and hard before they went. The Apollo 11 spacecraft had 2 parts, the Columbia and the Eagle. The astronauts lived and worked in the part called the Columbia. The trip to the moon took 3 days. The spacecraft flew around the moon. 2 astronauts moved into the Eagle. The Eagle flew down to the moon. The 2 astronauts landed on the surface of the moon safely. 1 astronaut sent a message to Earth. He said, "The Eagle has landed." The 2 astronauts walked on the moon. They put up an American flag. They took many pictures. They collected rocks and dust. The spacecraft flew back to Earth. On July 24, 1969, the Columbia landed in the ocean. The 3 astronauts were home.